Assuming you're searching for Tezos cost expectations figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of Tezos XTZ will go from now on, we will fundamentally dissect the especially past costs of Tezos XTZ, and we'll figure out what specialists basically are talking about its future cost activities, which is very critical. Kindly remember that you want to especially take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this in a real sense is just the idea of some market master experts. Not to especially specify foreseeing something so wonderful really is totally unthinkable in an unobtrusive manner. However, we will attempt our sort of the best. How about we start, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Tezos past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the very current cost of Tezos in a real sense is 65 cents, and XTZ is at present position number 54 in the whole crypto-biological system. The flow supply of Tezos fundamentally is 953,946,364 with a market cap of $623,186,972. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.34% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the genuinely current market cap of the XTZ with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap essentially is additionally down. Tezos is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with all things considered, other crypto coins. The XTZ in a real sense is down to nearly 3.29% in the absolute most recent 7 days, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for kind of beyond couple of days. The coin could generally have kind of solid basics in any case. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of XTZ for the most part diminished by 44.685%, disposing of an incredible extremely normal amount of 53 cents from its ongoing worth. This unexpected down for the most part implies that the coin in a real sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be a decent certainly purchase a potential open door for by and large speedy venture. The 90 days cost change is near 40.18%, and the cost certainly circled from a sort of least sort of typical cost of $1.03 to pretty greatest normal cost of $1.12 in the sort of beyond 90 days. Tezos generally is somewhere near 14.95%, with the truly greatest most certainly normal cost of the coin was around 80 cents, and the base typical cost of truly was around 78 cents in truly beyond 4 months. We especially foresee future Tezos cost expectations XTZ figure by applying truly profound man-made brainpower help specialized investigation on the past value information of Tezos, or so they thought. We really do are fundamentally awesome to gather especially most extreme authentic information for the XTZ coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Tezos market cap, Tezos volume and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and all things considered, need especially great profit from your speculations, make a point to peruse our expectations. Tezos value expectation 2023, according to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2023, the cost of Tezos truly is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 94 cents, in an unpretentious manner. The XTZ cost can for the most part arrive at a really greatest value worth of $1.01, with the typical worth of 98 cents. Or so they especially thought. Tezos value expectation 2024. The cost of Tezos is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach at the very least worth of $1.35 in 2024. The Tezos cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.68, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.40 all through 2024. XTZ value gauge for 2025. Tezos cost in a real sense is conjectured to basically arrive at an especially the most reduced pretty conceivable degree of $2.09 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the XTZ cost could really arrive at a kind of greatest sort of conceivable degree of $2.43, with the typical conjecture cost of $2.15. Tezos, XTZ, value expectation 2026. The cost of Tezos generally is anticipated to reach at a genuinely least degree of $2.96 in 2026. The Tezos cost can explicitly arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $3.59, with the typical cost of $3.06 all through 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. Tezos value expectation 2027. Tezos cost is estimated to arrive at a most reduced genuinely conceivable degree of $4.37 in 2027, or so they thought. According to our discoveries, the XTZ cost could arrive at in every practical sense, most extreme genuinely conceivable degree of $5.04, with the typical estimate cost of $4.50. Tezos Value Forecast 2028 has per our profound specialized examination on for the most part past value information of XTZ. In 2028, the cost of Tezos is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $6.25 in a quite huge manner. The XTZ cost can sort of arrive at a greatest degree of $7.59, with the typical exchanging cost of $6.47 incredibly. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2029 as per our profound specialized examination on exceptionally past value information of XTZ. In 2029, the cost of Tezos generally is gauged to be at around a truly least worth of $8.90 in an unobtrusive manner. The Tezos value worth can in a real sense arrive at a really limit of $10.66, with the for the most part normal exchanging worth of $9.22 in United States dollars. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Tezos Value Conjecture 2030. The cost of one Tezos in a real sense is supposed to reach at a by and large least degree of $13.03 in 2030. The XTZ cost can arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of $15.63, with the typical cost of $13.40 all through 2030 in a significant manner. Or so they especially thought. Tezos, XTZ, Value Expectation 2031. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2031, the cost of Tezos explicitly is anticipated to generally reach it in every way that really matters, least degree of $18.55. The XTZ cost can explicitly arrive at a truly greatest degree of $22.51, with the typical exchanging cost of $19.09. In an extremely significant manner. Tezos Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Tezos is fundamentally anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of $27.79 in 2032. The Tezos cost could generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $32.17, with the typical exchanging cost of $28.55 all through 2032. In opposition to mainstream thinking. Tezos Value Gauge Facts. What amount will Tezos essentially be worth in 2030? As far as value, Tezos has an extraordinary essentially potential to arrive at new levels. It is estimated that XTZ will increment in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. As indicated by genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Tezos can stir things up around town cost of $32.17 till 2030. How high could Tezos at any point go? The typical cost of Tezos, XTZ, could go to 98 cents before the current year is over, or so they thought. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it for the most part is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the $4